Welcome to day 20 of 30 days of Python. It's good to have you here. Today we'll be looking at string methods in the Python programming language. So what are string methods? String methods are built-in methods or helper methods to manipulate strings in the Python programming language. Now methods work like functions, but however they are associated with a specific data type, which in this case are strings. All string methods return new values. They do not change the original string. So let's go. You say name, and then as a side note, the input function returns a string value. So name is equals to this. We now say print name dot title, then print print name. You see the strings didn't change. Now if you go to the W3C website, you will get a comprehensive list of string methods. But in this video, we'll be looking at how to create a word counter. So let me just save this as word counter. Save that as a desktop. Now let's look at the algorithm to create a word counter. Now how we will do it as human beings is we'll be looking for spaces. So with each space is a word, because words are separated by spaces. In Python, the function that can do it is the split function. So let's look at the basic steps. So step 1, ask the user to enter a sentence. Step 2, separate sentence into words using the space. Count the number of words separated by spaces. Return the count to the user. Okay, so we get started. Now the first thing we do, we say sentence equals to input. Please enter a sentence. Next one, words equals a sentence to split. And what this does is that it will split the sentence separated by comma into a list. And once we have the list, we can just say word count equals to len words. Then finally, we can return the count to the user and say print the number of odds percentage is STR. Okay, good. We're done. So let's test. The quick fox jumped over the lazy dog. Now looking using our eyes, we know this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sorry, 9, not 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. So it gives us 9 words in the sentence. And with that, we come to the end of day 20. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.